any smarter than they are.
No, I don't mind the poor fish that gamble. I don't like the professionals that take the suckers.
All right, Moshe Levine writes in. He's an American living in Israel. He says, if you deem stock prices to be overvalued or in a bubble, do you think it's best to keep your money in cash while waiting for prices to come down to a fair price? Or would it be a better idea to invest this money in some way while waiting until stock prices are fair again and then sell the investment to buy the stocks?
Well, Charlie and I have had that discussion on a lot of things. We bought some stocks we really don't know that much about, but I'm not really comfortable doing that.
You're used to shooting fish in a barrel, but that's gotten harder.
We've got probably 10 to 15% of our total assets in cash beyond what I would like to have, just as a way of protecting the owners, the people that are our partners, from ever having us ever get in a pickle. You know, we really run Berkshire to make sure that we don't want to lose other people's money who will stick with us for years. We can't help what somebody does it, buys it today and sells it tomorrow. But we've got a real gene that pushes us in that direction. We've got more than we've got probably 70 or 80 billion, something like that maybe, that we'd love to put to work. But that's 10% of our assets roughly, and we probably won't get a chance to do it under these conditions. But conditions change very, very, very rapidly sometimes in markets, and we do have people that would like to join us, but the market option they have is just too great for them. And if they're publicly traded, I mean, they basically can't. They would have great difficulty, in making a deal with us, because somebody else will come along with using other people's money. It's, we may be unhappy about the 70 billion, but we're very happy about the other 700 billion. Not like we should complain.
Warren Windham.
If you enjoyed this video and you found it useful, don't forget to destroy that like button.
And Hulk. Smash.
If you want more content just like this, hit subscribe and click on the notification bell if you haven't already for more high-quality content updated regularly.